How do you put an object in the iPhone Capcut? Now, let me talk about it and explain it to you. If this is your first time here on this channel, subscribe so that way you'll never miss anything. So, of course, the Capcut is a nice video editor and you can import your clips. And if you want to add something on the top of it, like an object, logo, or, even another video laying on the top of it, you can most definitely do it because you can only just tap the plus button to add more clips into the timeline. You can pick photos or videos. When you are selecting photos, it would make sense to select something which has no background, so ideally something in the PNG format, and you can add it to the timeline, right, to the project. By default, or at first, it appears at the end of the line right there, so you'll be able to just select it, but we want to make it go on the top of the existing clip, and that's why we need to select the overlay feature. So it has like these two arrows which are kind of like crossing each other, and that is the overlay feature, so you can put it on the top of the things, and now you get to edit it as much as you want, right? So as I said, a lot of people add like object as their logo for their project, so you can put it somewhere into the corner, or you can animate it using keyframes or add effects to it, no problem. But the overlay is the most important part of this because you want to make sure it's on the top of it. So I really hope that that was the thing that you are going after. If not, let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it, but for now that's gonna be about it. I'll see you later in the next videos. Subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.